Good morning and welcome to the speaking test.
Good morning.
Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Well, please tell me your full name.
Well, my full name is Bibi Fatima Bayal. If you feel comfort, you can simply call me Fatima because it's my nickname. My friends and family member call me use this name.
Okay. How many people are there in your family?
There are 6 family members in my family, including my parents, grandmother, siblings, and me.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman. He took care of our family member and work hard to from day to night to make our family happy.
Okay. Is your father the only earning member in your family?
No, my mother also earning members in my family. My mother is a teacher.
Wow, sounds perfect. Well, do you have a close relationship with your mother?
We are very close, and I share always everything with my mother, and he's my best friend. You can see.
Okay. Do you think your mother has influenced your life?
Yes, my mother influenced in my life. She always encouraged me and teach me how to be honest, humble, and kindness.
Okay. Do you want to be like your mother in the future?
Yes, sir. I want to be like my mother because I saw the many people of my village. They always respect my mother.
You're from
It's very
Lakshmipur.
no, sir. I'm from Noakhali.
You're from Noakhali. Well, what do you like about your hometown?
I like the most their people and so on. Also the natural beauty. I know my village people. They are very kind, also polite and amiable, and the natural beauty was really amazing. Also splendid.
Okay, what's your favorite place in your hometown?
It's maybe Nizam Deep because whenever I went there, I saw the natural beauty, also the sea beach. So it's very nice place to me for me.
Okay, and as far as I do know, most people of your hometown want a division. So, do you also want a division?
Yes, sir. I also want the division because Noakhali is old places, and we really expect this division.
Okay, you deserve it.
Yes.
Well, okay, and what traditional food is popular in your hometown?
Winter pitas is very popular in my district and it's very delicious. Whenever my grandmother cook it, it's really tasty.
Really tasty.
Yes, sir.
Well, okay, do you think it's okay to use a mobile phone during the class?
No, sir, it's not okay. If I want to say about Rahas English Care, there has some rules and regulation, and including don't use mobile phone in classroom. So it's not better.
What do you usually say if you are late in a class or a meeting?
Most of the time, I try to join my class in time. But if I make late, then I say my teacher sorry.
Okay.
It
Did you have a favorite teacher in your childhood?
Yes, I have a favorite teacher. His name is Abul Hashim Sultan. He was my math teacher, and she loves me at all, and I also respect him.
Well, how has this teacher helped you?
He helps me in my academic problems also. If I have some problem, then I go to him and he helps me to understand, make me understand the topic or something.
Do you have a favorite person?
Yes, my mother is my favorite person. Also, my brother, because they are my first priority in my life, and also they love me at all. And they always try to keep my dream at first.
Do you prefer eating at home or outside?
I always prefer eating at home because it's very healthy. Also,
Have you ever eaten seafood?
yes, eaten seafood when I went to Cox's Bazar. That time I ate seafood.
Well, what do you think? Is it healthy to eat seafood?
If you make it in your home or healthy way, then it will be very healthy. And it's make it outside, then it not
It's not
better.
healthy.
Yes.
Okay. When was the last time someone gave you a flower?
It may be last year I got a flower, and the flower gave me my mother, and when I was at my home.
What do you usually do when you feel stressed or upset?
Most of the time, I try to stay myself calm. If I get hyper, then I take a glass of water.
What's your opinion about our Honorable Rahat sir?
He's a great person and also hardworking person. He always tried to give them students a good teach, and her rules and regulation also very well.
Thank you very much, Fatima. This is the end of your speaking test. I hope that this speaking test will help you a lot to do something great in your life.